Yeah, got this old TV, guys. Don't think it's ever been opened. Just about to open it up. Wow. Look for some spiders. Wow. Lots of goodies in there, guys. This is the latest scrap out. Should get quite a bit out of this one. There's a torch. Did try running this, didn't work. We got in there loads of dusty stuff. That's about it. Loads of copper. Should be some tasty chips and stuff in this. Because back in the day, this was quite high tech. Toshiba. And this is a Toshiba from 1987, guys. I've just located on there. Anyway, I'm going to be hoovering it out first. Undoing all the boards. You've got a big solid copper wire that runs all the way around it. Tube. The cathode ray tube. Anyway, Merry Christmas.